It is now 5:38. 5:38 a.m. and I'm testing out the low light mode on this, thing. Yeah, and it's working pretty nice. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Max is out at 4K 30. Yeah. Yo, the low light on this number, that like I'm still shocked.
Don't see quality first.
Yeah, man, sure. So how it work is like this one goes a boom. Turn on the mic. The mic just automatically pick up.
Nice. I can't wear that.
Yeah.
Color, no color.
What the color?
No man, they don't smell it, dog. It does strong, dog. It does sudden. I have a sweet smell.
The schooler man, it's from Russia. Hi, morning. You have
How many people?
It's up so early.
Yeah. No. It goes to this.
Right. We can probably grab something for snack pants because the time is still early. It's a bit overcast, like really overcast. All right. So. I'm seeing we can adjust the brightness. Meanwhile, I'm here. No, I can't adjust the brightness. Let me stop. All right. Let's go to this place. Yo, the day that's overcast is just so crazy. Yo, that's one of the downfalls, for try to get good content without the day being so overcast. But so we'll reach the location though. I always want to take a picture in front of the place, The good thing about around here, so like the road isn't that bad to go to this place. It's like, yeah, and if you drive your fast car, you can come around at any time. But it's just that forgot to the place, it's kind of set away. What the way they here stay for you for like fishing?
Fishing?
Yeah.
Man, that's not my good one.
Would I probably drop asleep?
Huh?
So me, you would have probably drop asleep.
Fishing nice, like my dog.
Fishing boring to me.
You're not catching up that time.
Yeah, that's why boring. Paradise, Palace, Grand, wow.
Yeah,
Is this like an hotel?
Hotel? No, that's not what we call these type of places.
Like a hostel?
So, no, I would call them. So we're actually out here, but as you can see, the sky is a bit overcast, which is a bit crazy, and this is not the type of vibe that I like. So yeah, I won't be swimming in this water today because the water is too rough for me. Yeah, we hate these type of skies. Yo, this water looks so crazy. But look over here. Oh shit. Yo, this stable, you know, like this is really stable. Okay, just move. Now walk past. Turn around. Nice. What's up? Testing. So yeah. So this is what the face tracking looks like. Feels like so dope. So far I can go. How far can it go? Yo. Yo, does that track my face? Oh good. Oh my god, I love how good this works out with tracking my face. Yeah, yo, the mic kind of just look big and bulky though. Let me see how far can I go. Is it still tracking me? Yes, it's still tracking my face. Let me see. Damn. All right. Okay.
This is Spanish, ocho ríos.
Ocho ríos.
It's in Spanish.
Oh.
8 rivers.
Yeah, but you don't call it a rivers. You say ocho ríos. I mean, you say ochi, but we call it ocho ríos. But it's from Spain, man. Yeah.
Oh. So the entire term Ocho Rios means 8 rivers?
Yeah, man. In Spanish, ocho ríos. But you call it ochi.
Okay. All right. Almost there. Huh?
I think I'll be a beach. I'm got mountain beach.
Bay Beach. All right.
Oh my God, tourists everywhere.
Yeah, tourists everywhere. Everywhere we see tourists, yeah? Everywhere. Yes, everywhere. Everywhere. Huh?
I think
No. We're ready. Someone to continue driving.
1 minute.
Say 1 minute.
These times it take over.
Alright, so like my final decision on this, camera, it's amazing. I mean, the packetry is pretty cool. You just turn the screen and it turns on, or you change the angle that you want, and the quality is pretty okay. You get me? But for me personally, it's just the quality. It's like it's not enough for me, to be honest. Yeah, it's not enough for me. So if you're like somebody who's like just starting out and you want a camera to like go everywhere on land, it's perfect for you. It's really perfect for you. Like it gets the job done, and you have the option to go to shoot flat, which means there's no color, and you have the option to just shoot normal, which means there's no editing. You just shoot and get the footage just as is. So yeah, it's really a cool camera, but it wasn't really the buzz of the tone for me, to be honest, when I started using it, because like on this camera I'm shooting right now is a crop sensor, you get me, Super 35 sensor, and for a 1-inch sensor it's good, but no camera is perfect, but yeah, it's a good camera. I would recommend this to anybody who's just starting out and wanted to just create some really cool content. But be careful, because based on how delicate this camera is, you really don't want to boops, and that's just gonna be it. It's about $700 now. You get me? Currently speaking, it's about $700 now. The combo, I think, yeah. So, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in another one. Peace.